A driver rating below 4.6 on Uber can reduce access to certain trip requests in many cities, and can even trigger account warnings if it keeps dropping over time. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what causes a low Uber rating, what actually improves it quickly, and the steps that help prevent future drops so you stop losing trips and stay active on the platform. Uber ratings don't usually drop because of one big mistake. They drop because of small patterns riders notice across multiple trips, and Uber averages all recent ratings together instead of focusing on just one bad review. The first thing to understand is what passengers are actually rating. Most low ratings come from three things: pickup experience, vehicle condition, and communication. If a rider is waiting more than a few minutes without updates, that often turns into a lower rating. If the car smells, is messy, or feels unmaintained, that also gets flagged in ratings even if the ride itself is fine. And if the driver is silent the whole trip, riders often interpret that as poor service. The fix starts before you even pick someone up. When you're close to the pickup spot, sending a simple message like, "I'm here in a silver Toyota," parked outside your entrance removes confusion and prevents missed connections. When you arrive, stopping exactly where the app pins the location matters, because riders associate wrong pickup spots with bad service. Next is the first 30 seconds of the ride. This is where most rating damage happens. A short greeting, confirming the destination, and starting the trip without delay sets the tone. After that, silence is fine, unless the rider starts a conversation. Vehicle condition is the other major factor. The inside of the car matters more than the outside. Fast fixes like removing clutter, checking for odors, and keeping charging cables available can shift ratings upward because riders compare your car to every other driver they've had that week. The fastest way to recover a low rating is consistency over multiple rides. One good trip doesn't change your average, but a steady pattern of clean, smooth, predictable rides does. To summarize, ratings drop from small repeated issues, not single mistakes. Pickup clarity, car condition, and early ride communication matter most. Fix those consistently, and your rating stabilizes. Next step, focus on your next 10 trips like they're a reset point, and track what changes in your feedback. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns on Uber driving and delivery apps.